Shravan Shah, and today is Mother's Day. Like, thank God for mom. If they wouldn't be there, I don't know what all of us would have done, because they are our pillar of strength. They have been literally been there with us through thick and thin. And today, on the occasion of Mother's Day, we have an interesting mother-daughter duo with us. Our boss lady Malini Agarwal and her
Hi.
boss mom, Mrs. Manjulika Agarwal. How are you doing, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I am doing great. What's up, Malini?
I'm so excited for this. I don't think we've ever been interviewed together like this, so I'm super excited.
Yeah? Perfect.
दूर होते हुए भी पास हैं.
हाँ, for sure, man, for sure. और इस Mother's Day पे, I think so, this connection is going to get stronger because I have some interesting games and stuff for you. So
Okay.
let's start asking you this, ma'am, that ever since, Malini, she's been an amazing boss lady to all of us, okay? But which is that one moment of her that you remember that made you feel like, Arey, I'm so proud of you, baby.
You see, from being a shy girl,
Uh-huh.
suddenly she has bloomed into a butterfly, and people are just loving her, and so am I.
Uh-huh.
So this is my beautiful moment for her, remembering her.
Ah. And Malini, so usually people say this, that a lot of things that we do in our life, okay, we always take inspiration from our parents, okay.
Right.
What was that one thing that you remember clearly that, was the reason, and you remembered your mom, okay, oh, mom used to say this and I should do.
I think because mom always encouraged me to follow anything that I love to do. So I think my passion for singing and dancing ka itna shauk hai comes from her. So she would always encourage me, whether it's like somebody's wedding or a performance, to get up and dance. People would come home, it's like that classic, acha beta, naach ke dikhao. She knew how much I love to do it. And I think all these things make a really big difference, because from childhood, if you're encouraged to do things, it gives you a lot of confidence.
True.
I always remember that from the beginning, she always gave me all that confidence.
Yeah. And ma'am, you know what, when Malini just said that, you always encouraged her to do whatever she wanted. And that's one of the reasons where, why she's become what she is today. Okay, but for a lot of people out there, okay, they usually, the parents, don't really support them. And, they have, as I said, professions ke tumko beta yahi karna hai. Okay. What would you like to tell those parents? Because not everybody has as cool as mom as you are. Okay. And, so what would you like to tell them?
First of all, I come from a family, my parents were very liberal.
Uh-huh.
I'm 80 years old. So you can imagine when I was 15, 16, it was 1955. And then the whole world, not whole world, but my home place, Allahabad, was very conservative. But my father gave me the liberty to do whatever I wanted. And he used to talk a lot with me. That gave me so much confidence that I never did anything to make him sad. And same formula I tried with my children, because I saw that my relatives, my friends, their children come to my house, have a glass of beer, smoke without any hitch. They said, Auntie, can I do this? I said, sure, go ahead. It's not good for you. Don't tell mama. Now that is very wrong. Why doesn't mama know? And when I meet the mama, she says, oh, my boy is so good. He doesn't drink beer, he doesn't smoke. In my heart, I think how foolish moms can be. So I gave my children advice, talk to them, what is good, what is not, and left to them. Do what you want.
Yeah.
Same I would say to other mothers and fathers.
Yeah. And, Malini, that's great, right? Like, your mother always gave you the freedom to do whatever. And, the fact that there was so much transparency between you all. Okay. Of late, even when you come across people and when you come across millennials of late, they don't really tell their parents everything that they're doing.
Right.
Where do you think that stems from?
I think it's just the fear, right? That they're going to get in trouble, that someone is going to say something. And a lot of times, parents might be open-minded, like mom's saying, but they're really worried ki society kya kahegi.
Yeah.
But just a series of these things that happen that you're not really thinking about your relationship or your kids and yourself. And at some point, you have to block out society, because you can do whatever. You can wear a salwar kameez every day, not step out of the house, not talk to boys, and they'll still have something to say.
Yeah.
Because if, kehne ko to log kahenge, as they say, right? So at the end of the day, sometimes you might have to put up a little bit of a, impression on other people. Fine, a relative comes, you behave a certain way. Thora sa, you just have to make that little adjustment. But aside from that, I think it's because there's that missing understanding. So I think, luckily now the mom is very ahead of her time. But I think luckily now the people who are parents now in my generation are making that effort with their kids.
Yeah. And ma'am, जैसे आपने कहा कि your father was very liberal. He always had conversations.
Right.
Did you ever have that moment when your friends would walk up to you and say, "Yeah, your dad is so cool. Yeah, I wish my father was as cool as you."
Yeah, many times. And so Malini's and my other kids, friends, they come to visit them. They say, "Auntie, aap itni achhi ho." I gel with all age groups. That shows that people love and respect me.
Yeah.
And that gives me more strength. And I never say anything which is criticizing them. I always say the truth. And I say, please don't feel bad.
What about your dad? Mommy's asking about your dad. Did your friends used to say that your dad that Nanaji was very open-minded?
Yeah. They said when your daughter will get married, she will be a misfit in a in-laws place.
Oh.
They were so harsh. And my father said, doesn't matter, because I used to get up at 8 o'clock in the morning. And my dadi used to say, my father's name was Prakash. Prakash, तेरी बेटी क्या करेगी शादी के बाद? 8 बजे सो के उठती है, उसको 4 बजे उठना चाहिए, 5 बजे. He said no. And I was 18. He said, इसकी शादी कर दो. He said no, she has to study. I'm not going to get her married. So this was the generation. I got married in 20, which is still too young. So I left it to my children. Find the right person, marry who you want to marry, but the person should be good. This is what I thought. And I'm so lucky, all four have married very nicely, their own choice.
So cute. Malini, was there ever a moment where you were a little scared or skeptical and going up to your mom and saying, "Hey mom, this is something I want. There's something I want to tell you." Was there ever a moment like that, or was everything like super chill? Ke ye hua, acha mom, this is happening to you.
I mean, I think for me, I really wanted to move to Bombay when I was 22, and I wasn't sure how she'd feel about it. But to her credit, she let me go. She was concerned, of course. She's like, "How am I going to manage?" But I think that made a big difference, because if I hadn't moved to Bombay, I would never have done all the things that I managed to do. So I wasn't sure how she'd feel about that, but luckily it all worked out.
Yeah. And, ma'am, that, Malini just said that, when she moved to Bombay and she's been, living in different parts of the world, was there ever, जो parents को थोड़ी चिंता होती है ना, यार मेरी बेटी कैसी होगी, क्या कर रही होगी, is she in good company, is she taking care of herself, बराबर खाना खा रही है कि नहीं? Was that ever playing around in your mind?
Of course, definitely. A mother's concern for the child is only this. कि सो रही है और कैसी कंपनी है, रात में अकेले नहीं आए. मैं अक्सर कहती थी बेटा पार्टी करो, मगर मेक श्योर दैट तुम्हें कोई घर छोड़ने आए, अकेले मत आना. ग्रुप में जाओ, ग्रुप में आओ. एंड आई थिंक जब बच्चों को ट्रस्ट करो तो वो दोबारा सोचते हैं कि माँ ने कहा था, तो दे टेक एक्स्ट्रा केयर. अगर मैं उनको मना करती फिर भी करते, मगर छुप के करते, तो फायदा क्या हुआ? और फिर आज हम साथ नहीं बैठे हुआ था, मदर डॉटर का इंटरव्यू नहीं लेते, क्योंकि बच्चों की निगाह में आई वुड बी अ बैड मॉम, स्ट्रिक्ट मॉम.
Yeah, that's very true. And I think so one of the things, ma'am, that you said, and I think so that's very, very, very true, is the fact that you always end up telling people कि ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है. Now you leave it on the child.
Yeah.
What the child has to do. A lot of the time, what I have seen around me, okay, or also in case of me, is that your parents sometimes just tell you कि बेटा ये तुम्हें करना है, okay?
नहीं.
वो बहुत बार गलत हो जाता है, because then as an individual you always think, right? कि अरे why am I being told all the time कि मुझे क्या करना है? Why can't I do it? So how important is it for you? Like, how important do you think is it for parents out there to let the kids do what they want? But at the end of the day, like you said, कि honesty and कि mom मैं यहाँ जा रहा हूँ या mom मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, so that there is a transparency. तो आपको कितना important लगता है कि parents should allow their kids to do whatever they want?
यही मैं सोचती हूँ, हर पेरेंट चाहता है कि मेरा बच्चा डॉक्टर बने, इंजीनियर बने. सब तो नहीं बन सकते ना, तो आप डिस्कस करो. वो उम्र इतनी कच्ची होती है, बच्चे को खुद नहीं पता, चाहे वो 20-25 साल का है, तब भी उसको बात करनी चाहिए. मगर अगर बच्चे को म्यूजिक पसंद है या थिएटर पसंद है, एक्टिंग पसंद है, तो उस पे छोड़ दीजिए. हर प्रोफेशन अच्छा होता है, पर अगर आप ऐसे प्रोफेशन में जाएंगे जैसे माननी गई है, उसको काम नहीं लगता, उसको हॉबी है, शी एंजॉयज इट। तो मैंने कभी ये नहीं सोचा था कि वो ऐसे जाएगी, बल्कि जो वो मालनी कर रही है मैं करना चाहती थी उस समय। I was so fond of films, so into, even now I can tell you all gossip of Bombay, Hollywood, Bollywood. But हमारा समय ऐसा था, हम हफ्ते में 3 दफे पिक्चर देखने जाते थे अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, कभी फादर कभी मदर, और सारी दुनिया कहती थी एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं, मगर माइंड को रिलैक्स करने के लिए मूवी देखने जाते थे बीच में, जो छुट्टी के 1-2 दिन मिलते थे। तो ऐसी अपब्रिंगिंग में मैं क्यों नहीं अपने बच्चों को आजादी दूंगी, बताइए, क्योंकि आई बेनिफिटेड।
Yeah, that's so true. So I can finally say that Malini is living her mother's dream of
course,
Malini.com.
she is my biggest fan. She will tell you, I keep all the cuttings in newspaper, magazines. First, I used to stack them. Then I found that it becomes too big a bundle to keep. So I take out the page and write the date and the name of the magazine. And I have a portfolio of all the things I get hang of, which I don't. I tell her, Malini, I didn't find this magazine. Can you send me? And she sends me.
So cute, so cute. Malini, you know, like your mom just said, that back in the day, and even when you just started off, okay, vlogging was not her thing, okay? It is not a career people could choose, okay? And in the times when your friends wanted to probably become the typical professions that are out there, okay, were you even an ounce skeptical that, hey, I'm going to tell my mom this is what I want to do, and how is she going to think? Was that question ever there?
Now in hindsight, I look back and I'm very lucky because I never really had to ask permission or say I'm going to do a particular job. My first job was a professional dancer, and you would never have thought that parents would be okay with that. My mom would drive me to rehearsal like 45 minutes away every day, and every show she'd be sitting in the front row with a video camera, filming just me, by the way. There's a troop of 12 people, but she would...
That's not true. I took others also, but more
all
of
their heads would be cut off, and it would be just Meri Betis. Everyone used to make jokes about that. But even when I started blogging, I never felt like I had to be like, oh, she's going to be concerned about what am I doing. I think it took her a while to understand what a blogger is. Initially, she thought I was an internet blocker, because she's like, okay, a lot of, we get so much spam and mail, and celebrities must get so much, so Malini blocks their spam.
Malini, don't you remember I said Facebook has stopped me from taking photos?
Yeah.
Because I said maybe you are doing the same thing. Then you said, no, Mama, you are taking too many photos. That's why.
Comments and posts so much that Facebook can't believe it's a real person. They assume that it's a bot spamming the app.
But Malini, has there ever been a time, like I remember with me, okay, there are times I have to sit down with my mom and I have to tell her, like she'll be like, Acha, Shravan, teach me Instagram. How do you operate Instagram? Okay? Malini, has there ever been a scene with you when you had to sit with mom and explain how Facebook?
I mean, to her credit, she's 80, so I'm amazed how active she is. She's got the hang of Zoom calls right now. She's very active on social media. So it takes a little while to get used to it, but she's really getting there. But now she's even shooting her own videos for us, the Mommy Knows Best series, which she's filming herself, sending herself, which I think is really impressive considering it takes us so much work and so many people to do it ourselves.
True. Perfect. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lighten the conversation, and this is a game that we're going to play, okay, where I'm going to ask each one of y'all alternate questions. So I'm going to ask Malini, I'm going to ask questions about her, and she has to say whether it's the right or wrong ones, and vice versa.
Okay, perfect.
And then let's see who wins in this war. Okay, it's called the mother-daughter game.
Nice.
Are you guys ready for it?
Ready.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do this. So, ma'am, first question for you. Malini's most favorite kind of dessert?
I think she likes lot of desserts, but maybe chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake? Woo!
Right.
Not bad.
Yeah,
One.
I love chocolate.
One for mom. Malini, your turn. Okay. When is mom's birthday?
That's easy. That's February 2nd.
Whoa, one on
Third. Sorry.
Third.
third.
I got
Oh,
confused
okay.
because we
Not bad.
celebrated hers on the 2nd this year because it was a Sunday and we did brunch.
Not bad. One all. Ma'am, your turn. Malini's most hated vegetable.
All green vegetables, I think.
That's not
Yeah.
true. I love vegetables now. Maybe when
Green now, but earlier green vegetables.
No,
Green vegetables, Malini.
I always love green vegetables.
Maybe Karela. Karela, you don't.
I
like.
hate them.
Yeah. So,
I eat Karela.
so mom hasn't won in this one.
Half a
0
point.
point for mom this year.
Okay.
Okay. Malini, your turn. Her favorite dessert.
Mom likes fruit cakes with fruit in them. So she likes like a mixed fruit cake or pineapple cake or anything like that.
Right.
Vanilla.
Woo.
Right.
2-1, not bad, not bad. Ma'am, आपका turn. Her favorite TV show.
Show.
Yeah.
Oh, she likes English TV shows. I don't know. I don't watch. I watch Hindi.
Uh-huh. But English
I
TV show.
take a guess. Maybe Friends. I don't know. Maybe Friends.
Friends?
Good guess. Good
Friends?
guess. Yeah.
Not bad. 2,
Yeah.
3. Mali, your turn. Her favorite food.
Mom likes very simple food. So like simple vegetarian food. She likes that. I think she likes parathas, if I'm not mistaken. And she likes to eat like parathas with achar. Simple.
Right.
Woo! 3-2, not bad. Ma'am, your turn. Favorite way of spending Saturday morning. Mali's favorite way of spending Saturday morning.
You know, I think as soon as she gets up, she has a mobile in her hand and it goes tick, 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 tick. Whether it's
Every
Saturday,
kid ever,
Sunday,
every
Monday,
kid ever does
every
it.
day I see.
Yeah? But that's right. That's right. So this is
Close enough. I'm either
3
sleeping
all.
on Saturday morning or I'm on my phone. True.
Yeah, this is 3 all. Mali, your turn. Her favorite restaurant.
She likes Chinese restaurants. So she doesn't have a specific one, but when we go out to eat, she likes to go and eat Indian.
Chinese. 4-3, not bad. Aapka turn, ma'am. Her favorite color.
Pink.
Correct.
Yes. Your turn. Mom's favorite color.
Oh, I think mom likes a lot of different colors, but I think she looks really lovely in yellow. So sometimes she wears yellow. She looks good in maroon. I think maroon is her favorite.
Maroon.
Yeah.
Ma'am? Maroon.
Right.
Oh, not bad. 5-4. Next one coming up for you, ma'am. Her favorite place to go for fun.
Malini's.
Yup.
To play pool table. Pool.
Oh,
Good job.
Yeah.
5 all. And now you get Malini the final deciding one. If you get it right, then you're gonna win it. If you don't, then it's an equal score. Okay. Mom's favorite way to spend a rainy day.
So she likes to play bridge and watch Netflix. So I think it would be a combination of those. But she also likes to sit and watch the rain. So it could
Is she right?
be
Right.
Whoa,
Right,
so
right.
Malini has won, but not bad, ma'am. काफी
Yeah.
close थे आप इसमें.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what I'm going to ask you all is, so I'm going to begin with you, Malini. Okay. If you for one day, if you were Mrs. Manjulika Agarwal, what are the first 3 things you would do?
Wow. Good question.
Yeah.
I think I would probably go and look at all my old photographs because I'm so fascinated with that time of what life was like, because I know mom spent a lot of time in small towns and going out and playing, and I
Yeah.
really fascinated. She used to jump from one terrace to the next and pretend to be Hunter Wali from the old Bollywood movies. That I would love to like go relive that. I think I would love to go and play bridge. I don't know how to play it, but she's like a bridge champion, so I'd love to go and show off those skills. If I could do that. And I think I
And so
would
on.
like to see from her perspective what she sees her kids doing. So maybe go and visit each one of them.
Nice.
Right.
Not bad. Ma'am, now if you were Mali Agarwal for a day, what are the first 3 things you would do?
I would visit all my favorite stars, Madhuri Dixit and who else, Shah Rukh Khan. In fact, Malini, you should interview them, please,
I
and
would
make
love
me an
it.
audience. I love these people.
Woo! Not bad. Okay, now because we're talking so much about Bollywood, my next game is a Bollywood game. Okay.
Right.
तो यहाँ पे Bollywood trivia test होगा. Are you all ready for this one? Yeah? And whoever answers first gets the point.
Okay.
यहाँ पे. ठीक है? So let's go. The first one, sing a song of Madhuri Dixit from a Shah Rukh Khan film.
Wow.
Oh no.
Madhuri Dixit from a Shah Rukh Khan.
चने के खेत में शाहरुख देर?
No, चने के खेत में
खेत
नहीं.
में नहीं है. ओके.
नहीं.
Madhuri Dixit and
अरे वो दिल में है मगर I don't
दिल
remember
तो
the.
पागल है.
दिल तो पागल है. दिल तो पागल है.
Yeah.
दिल तो पागल है.
तो पागल है. Yeah.
दिल तो पागल. Not bad, you guess the film.
Yeah.
अभी कोई भी सॉन्ग गा दो मैम.
Pardon me?
कोई भी सॉन्ग गा दो. कोई भी सॉन्ग
कोई
from दिल तो
भी.
पागल है.
अरे याद नहीं रहता. 80 साल की हो गई हूँ.
It's the title track, mom. दिल
है?
तो पागल है.
दिल तो पागल है.
दीवाना है. Not
नहीं,
bad.
just ask me to sing a ghazal. I can sing you a ghazal.
Oh wow! So I think so. That's how we are going to end this interview. I think so.
Later.
Ma'am singing ghazal is going to be the end of the interview. Okay. Second question. So she's got 1 point. Amali.
Yeah.
Second one. Name. Sing any song that stars Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh, that's a good one. That's
Like a pan बनारस वाला
भूल जाए.
कल का ताला
One more.
ऐसा किया धमाल कि लोग क्या.
Not bad. Two. She's got 2 points. Okay. Third one. शाहरुख खान के कोई भी फिल्म का एक गाना गाना.
गेरुआ रंग गेरुआ. What is that गेरुआ?
Wow.
Wow.
She is killing it. She is killing it. This Mother's Day, she is winning it. And how? Okay. The fourth one. I am going to give a prop. Okay. And you have to guess ये prop कौन से गाने में use हुआ है. ठीक है? So the fourth one, the prop is Duffly.
डफली वाले
Wow.
बजता
Dun, dun, dun.
ना 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 ना.
Woo.
डफली
Killing it. Killing
Yeah.
it. Okay. And the last one. वो जो स्कूटर होता है डबल वाला,
हाँ.
वो वाला स्कूटर.
शोले का है. शोले का. हाँ दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
Correct. Wow. Well done.
She has won 5 all. Not 5 all, 5-0 money.
5-0. I
5-0.
won it all prize. She is the original Bollywood gossip queen. More than
Oh my god. She's won it and how? Okay. How I'm going to end this game now is that Mani, you have to give a message for your mom. She's listening to you. She's right in front of you. Let's go.
Mom, I love you so much. It makes me so happy and proud that you are 80 years old, but you are the happiest, shiniest, most energetic person I've ever met in my life. And everyone marvels at it. I also love that you're savage auntie sometimes. It's super entertaining. And I love that, you know, in some small way, you're getting to live parts of your dream because of the things that we're doing together. And it makes me so, so happy. Thank you for helping me be who I am, getting me to a point where I always had your support. And you've always been so proud. And I love it. I think that we are in such a great place where we are able to finally enjoy all this stuff together. And I love you very much. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you,
Woo,
baby.
happy
Thank
Mother's
you.
Day.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And मैम जैसे आपने प्रॉमिस किया था आपको गजल गाना पड़ेगा.
माय गुडनेस. मैंने तो ऐसे ही बोल दिया था. क्या है वो?
अरे कोई नहीं, हम हेल्प करेंगे आपको.
अच्छा. क्या है दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी
आप
जान
मेरी जान
लीजिए.
लीजिए.
रेखा ने जो गाया है ना,
Nice.
वो एक है चलते चलते यूं कोई
हाँ.
मिल गया था.
Oh
अरे
wow.
माय गुडनेस.
Perfect. Thank you so much for talking to me. It was a pleasure talking to both of you all.
Thank
And
you.
hope I meet you all super soon as after this lockdown is done. Thank you so much, Mali. Thank you so much, ma'am, for doing this.
Thanks,
Thank you
Shankar.
very much.
Bye.
Bye bye.